minus b squared equal to 40. B squared minus c squared equal to 80. And we know a, b, c are integers. We want to find all possible values of a and b. So a squared minus b squared is 40. We have all things squared. So without loss of generality, we can consider that a, b, c are at least 0. And at the end, we consider negative of those numbers. So we can say a, b, c are at least 0. For example, if we reached a equal to 2, at the end, we consider plus minus 2. Now, we write a squared minus b squared equal to 40. We have a famous factorization. You write it as a minus b times a plus b equal to 40. Now we know a plus b is not negative because a, b are at least 0. So a plus b also is not 0 because then the product will be 0, but right side is 40. So a plus b is positive. Because 40 is positive, we conclude that a minus b also has to be positive. Now, because b is non-negative number, a plus b is greater than or equal a minus b. And another important thing, a minus b, a plus b, both of them should be even or odd. Because minus and plus has no effect on parity, on evenness. For example, let me, you can check, for example, 140 is not possible because then you can't find any a and b that are integers. So we have a minus b, let me show you. For example, if you consider a minus b equal to an odd number, even number, I want to tell you how it is impossible. If you add a minus b and a plus b, then we have 2a. 1 plus 40, 41. It's not possible. Left side is even, right side is odd. Now let me erase this part. So the cases that we should check are 220, 3, 4, 10, 5, 8 is not possible because then again it's odd even. So we only need to check these two cases. In first case, a minus b is 2, a plus b is 20. Let's analyze this case first. Now we want to find a and b. So let me write a minus b is 2, a plus b is 20. If we add these two equations, we have 2a equal to 20. If we subtract 2b equal to 18, so a equal to 11 and b equal to 9. So we found a and b. Now we should also find c. Let's try. Let me erase. So if we replace the second equation, let's replace it at the end. So for second case, a minus b is 4, a plus b is 10. Again, if we add 2a equal to 14, if we subtract 2b equal to 6, so a equal to 7 and b equal to 3. So let me erase these things to write only a and b. A equal to 7, b equal to 3. Now it's the time to find c. So we should use second main equation. We know b squared minus c squared. B is 9, so b squared is 81. We can say 81. Let me write b squared minus c squared is 80. B is 9, so 81 minus c squared is 80. So c squared is 1, so c will be 1. It's for the first case. Now let's check second case. Here, let me erase. B is 3, so b squared is, let me erase the last part. B is 3, so b squared is 9, and 9 minus c squared is 80. So we conclude that c squared is 9 minus 80, which is a negative number, and it's impossible because they are integers, and c squared should be at least 0. So here we don't have any answer. Our only answer is A11, B9, C1. But we said at first without loss of generality there are non-negative numbers, so we should consider also negative sign. So A is plus minus 11, B plus minus 9, C plus minus 1. And you can consider any arrangement of the signs. So we have 2 times 2 times 2. We have 8 answers for this problem. Okay, so we found 8 answers. If you had questions, send message to my WhatsApp number. And please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. See you next time. Bye-bye.